Scientific notation. That's right. Okay, change this one to the scientific notation. 5,263. That's right. 5.263 times 10 to the third power. Very easy. Okay, now what about this one? Oh, that's it. 5, maybe 5.0. See, nice to have this one. Okay, so times 10 to the, oh, this one, actually you moved point here to that point, see, right there. That means 1, 2, 3, see, to the right hand side. That's why negative third power. Oh, very simple. See, how about this one? Okay, this one is a third power, 10 to the third power. So, but this one is a 4,073. So 4.073 times 10 to the, say, from this one, okay, you remember point I put right here, that means a 3, right? Okay, third power, then original power was there, say third power. So final answer is what? 4.073 times 10 to the 6th power. See? Very simple. Okay, what about this one? Oh man. Okay, I have a trick. Okay, easy to divide. Okay, so just like this. Okay, from here, borrow 110 right here. Okay, because this one is smaller than 6. See, this one is 6, this one is 1.2. So you borrow 110. Okay, so that means this is going to be 6th power. Now 10 times that one, see, 10 times this, which is 12. Now 12 divided by 6, oh, 2. So must be 2.0 times, okay, 10 to the 6th power, divide by, okay, it's because I did this part already, see? That means, okay, right here, 10 to the 4th power. Now, all I have to do, I just write this answer, right? So 2.0 times 10 to the, okay, divide means minus, right? 6 minus 4, which is the 2nd power. That's it. Also, significant figures, okay, on this one, 2 figures. This one, also 2 figures. Oh, we better have answer 2 figures. That's nice. Okay, but, hey, like I said, you have to follow the instruction from your school or whoever, okay? Okay, the next one, 3.1 times, that's right, you multiply this left-hand side number first, right? Okay, 3.1 times 5.3, hey, I did it right here already. Oh, that means 3, 4, 6, and 1. Now you gotta count how many digits below the decimal point. 1, 2, that's it, totally 1, 2, right there. 16.43. That means you can write this number like this one. 16.43 times, okay, 10 to the what power? Oh, totally 3 here and 6 here, total 9th power, right? But the left-hand side number should be what? Oh, that's right, between 1 and 10. That's why you gotta put point right there. See, this one is a 16. That's no good. So 1.643 times 10 to the what power? That's right, 10 to the one more power from here, so which is a 10th power. See, 10 to the 10th. Now the time, you have to worry about significant figures right there. See, significant figures. You gotta ask your boss, like I said. Hey, so now, okay, look at this question right here. 2. Oh, that's right. So you can keep just the 2 figures right there from here. That means you gotta round up. Okay, then actually this is gonna be then what? 1.6. Okay, because 4 you're not gonna round up, right? So times 10 to the 10th power. That's it. But okay, left hand side, actually both right. This one is more accurate than this one, but you have to follow the instruction. Okay, what about the left hand side, the bottom one, all the way bottom one? Oh, negative power. The next one, oh, the first thing you notice, okay, left hand side, 5.2, okay, 2 significant figures, right? Okay, this one also 2 figures. Okay, that means 2 is enough if you get instructed. But otherwise, hey, leave everything alone, okay? So now 6 point, This one going to be 6.76, right? Okay, 6.76 times 10 to the what power? Negative 6 and negative 3, negative 9th power. Ooh, that's it. Now, left-hand side, 6.76. That's going to be between 1 and 10, perfect. Only thing you worry about is what? If you got instructed, then you got to keep the figures, right? This one is a 2 figures. This one also 2 figures. Okay, 2 figures right there. That means, oh, that's right. This is it, 6.8. Okay, you round up, okay, to keep 2 figures right there. Then same answer right there, 10 to the negative 9th power. That's it.